last sum of this chapter, sum number 5C. So we have finished off with this chapter, and once again I am telling you that the table given on page number 122, the table given on page number 122 is very important. Learn the table by heart. I am almost giving you the importance for the examination. So learn the table very nicely for your exam, second unit test. Definitely you will get this table. Now 5C given. A 10 centimeter long stick is kept in front of a concave mirror. So for concave mirror, a 10 centimeter long stick. So height of the object is 10 centimeters. Is kept in front of a concave mirror having focal length 10 centimeters. So concave mirror, so focal length is minus 10 centimeters. In such a way that the end of the stick closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 centimeters. So U is equal to 20 centimeters. He is telling you what will be the length of the image. So you have to find out height of the image. But to find out height of the image, you have to also find out what? V. So first we have to find out V, and then we find out H2. So to find out V, we start again with what? My mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. To find out V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon this minus 20. U is equal to minus 20. So this minus sign will come up. Minus 1 upon 10, minus into minus, plus 1 upon 20. Cross multiply, 20 ones are 20 ones are 20, 10 ones are 10 upon 10 into 20. 10 into 20. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 20 plus 10 minus 10 upon 10 into 20. Okay, so I take the reciprocal of this. So V is equal to 10 into 20 upon minus 10. 10 ones are 10. So V is equal to minus 20 centimeters. So I have found out V. Right? Now again, by magnification formula, H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. You have to find what? H2. H1 is given to you, H1 is given to you 10 minus V, your minus 20 upon U is also minus 20. Minus minus cancels, 20 ones are 20. So H2 upon 10 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. So H2 is equal to 10 ones are 10. H2 is equal to minus 10 centimeters. H2 is equal to minus 10 centimeters, right? Therefore, the height of the object what is we will find out what will be the length of the image. The length of the image will write. The height or the length is the same thing. The length of the image, is again 10 centimeters. Negative image, negative V, so real image. Negative height of the image, so inverted image, right? But length cannot be negative or height cannot be negative. Therefore, the height of the image is 10 centimeters. The height is always positive. Therefore, the height of the image is 10 centimeters. H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. Sorry, I have not put the equal to sign over here. H2 upon 10 is equal to minus this minus sign over here, and V is minus 20 upon minus 20. So equal to sign you have to put in between, and then you solve the sum like I have done it over here. So with this, we complete off with the full syllabus of reflection of light, the full chapter, sorry. We complete the full chapter of reflection of light. The first video I put up, explanation. Now I am putting up the video of numericals, all solved example, one solved example. I have given you the table, full table of sign conventions. What are the sign conventions and all. Then I have solved all the sums with my method. If you want to do with any other method, whatever you find convenient or whatever you find easy, you can do it with any other method you want. But I find this is more easier, like to do the calculations and all. But even if you find some other method is good for you, you can do it that way. I won't allow you not to do it and all. Okay, so see the sums very properly and try to understand them and practice it at home again and again. Thank you very much.